Today, I will be creating a simple ordering form. Firstly, click on Manage Forms and click on Add Form on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Key in the name of your form. Take note that the form type will be Form. When you are done, click on Save. Afterwards, click on Fields Mapping of the form that you have created. Now, we are going to add in fields in your forms. To add in field types, click on Add Field. I will be adding in the main fields needed in an ordering form. So firstly, I will be adding in the field name and label customer name, and the field type will be text. Check on is required. Secondly, I will be adding in contact number. The field type will be numeric and check on is required. Thirdly, I will be adding in email. The field type will be email and check on is required too. Next, an ordering form will also require customers to input their address. The field type for that will be long text area and check on is required. Next, I will add in the field name Order 1 for customers to place their order. The field type for that will be a static drop-down. A static drop-down allows you to input your own set of options. Therefore, at the static drop-down records box, I will be adding in the items that customers can order. After adding in their first order, I will be adding in the field name quantity. The field type will be numeric. Next, we are going to give the option of the customers to order more than one item. Hence, I will now be adding in Order 2. Similar to Order 1, it will also be a static drop-down with the same options. Same goes for the quantity, which I will label as Quantity 2. And the form is complete. Now go back to the Forms page and click on the form that you have just created. Click on Add to add in a new record. When you are done keying in your record, click on Save.
Dead workflow. Creating apps within minutes.